Good afternoon to our channel English with Akram, and once again we have gathered for the debate. And topic of the debate is plastic is boon or ban. The team sitting on my right will speak in the favor of plastic, and the team sitting on my left will speak against the plastic. So let's start.
So good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Afsha, and we are debating here. Topic of the debate is plastic should be banned or not. So I'm in the favor of this topic that plastic shouldn't be banned. So for 1 hour, our team member, we all have been getting you across for 1 hour that why plastic is not be banned. Even we are giving you data, we are telling you report, but however you are not understanding that why are we saying that plastic shouldn't be banned. But they are talking about only pollution and diseases. Like they are talking about our life is more expensive than the plastic. We know this thing. All the sisters, we know this thing, the value of our life. Okay. But however, if we are telling you data, if we are giving you report, so why don't you believe this thing? And why are you thinking that we do not know the value of life? We know this thing. Okay. So let's talk about if I talk about in every field, plastic plays an important role. That is about education sector, that is about medical sector. Why did I talk about only two sectors? Because this is the very biggest challenge for our government, for the government of the India, like medical sector and the education sector. As you know already, for making the papers, according to World Bank, I'm not saying from my side, according to World Bank, millions of trees are cut for making only papers. So suppose that if everything would be of the plastic, so how many trees would be cut? So that time, don't you think that how much our environment will be polluted? Don't you think? So it's a fault. Okay. So what I was saying that plastic, in place of plastic, if we use like trees will be cut, if will cut. So what will happen? Diseases will more increase. So I would like to say only one thing: people were not earlier, were they not living their life with peaceful? Tell me why only in 2025 why this problem has come, that because of the plastic we are getting a lot of problems. Why this thing is being created with you sisters and brother? Now you will say.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Muhammad Ishan and today we are debating on a very amazing topic. The topic is plastic bags. Plastic, should it be banned or not? So in my personal point of view, it should be banned. First of all, she is saying to our team members that we have been convincing you for last 1 hour, but you are not ready to understand that plastic is not harmful. And we agree with this thing that our life is more expensive than plastic, but still they are saying that plastic bags should not be banned. Why? Let me tell, India generates millions of tons of garbage just because of plastic garbage per year, just because of plastic, which is equal to 4.4 million tons. And just because of this thing, we are able to see, and we are lucky to see the mountain garbage mountains around us, like in Jahangirpuri, nearby Silampur, Mukarba Chowk, you will find garbage mountains. Why? Tell. Because there is a lot of plastic and people like they like people who are from that team are not ready to understand that we should not do this, and they are coming here and telling us whenever and the exams are conducted, so we need a paper, and for making those paper we have to cut a lot of trees. Okay, I agree, but we have an option: we can plant trees to restore that loss. But what about the plastic? If we have a loss, we have just polluted the environment. How can we recover that? By burning. If we burn that will that will pollute more. If we throw that will pollute more. And if we don't do anything, that will be garbage of mountain. This is the restoration. So I think plastic should be banned. The reason is this. And second thing, if someone was mentioning, I think Bashir, he was mentioning about the recycle, that we can recycle the plastic and all. For recycling the plastic, it's not like that we will go and in a jiffy it would be done. We need to collect the garbage, plastic garbage. We need to transfer the garbage. We need to remediate the garbage. Then after that, we have to focus on recycling. And according to the ODEC report, they tell that we can only recycle 12% of plastic garbage till 2060. See the difference, only 12%. Then why should we use this? And when you came in your first turn, you were asking, if we ban the plastic, what else can we use there? Sister, we have another options also. Jute bags are there, cotton bags are there, paper bags are there. Even there are baggies bags which are made of fiber. Oh, sorry, sugar cane fiber. Those are made of, and we have a lot of alternatives. Those are a bit expensive, but not than your life. Okay, at least you will be surviving. At least you will not have tumor in multiple parts of your body. At least you will not be just out of you. At least you will not be bleeding. Okay, you will not have cancer, tumor, asthma. That's it.
Okay. Wait a while. Okay, as he was talking about that in place of plastic, we can use jute bag and other bags we can use in place of plastic. But here we are not talking about polythene and bags. We are talking about complete plastic. In place of fan, what can you use? In place of electric boards, what can you use? In place of chair, what can you use? In place of chairs, what can you use?
Wood
Jute
stool,
bag,
wood stool,
jute chair.
wood stool.
So
Wood-
same thing I was saying you, that if in place of plastic, if we use other things like wooden things, so what will happen? Trees will be cut. Why don't you understand this in
Why don't we
concept?
understand
For 1 hour, one thing.
trees will be cut? So sister, listen here. But
Let me
but
speak,
I
it's
told
my turn.
that we can restore that for
Yeah.
we recover that loss. Okay, just by planting the trees. But if we use these plastic chairs instead of wooden chairs, instead of wooden stools, instead of whiteboard and all these other things, so that would be not recoverable. Okay, we cannot recover the loss. People who are dying with the tumor, they will be dying. And now I would like to answer to Rehan bhai. He mentioned that till 60 years, means in 1960 till 1960, there was not any conference of government globally about the plastic, that it should be banned or not, or is it harming us or not. So brother, I would say that government will not do anything. You are responsible for your life and for your death. We have to think. And why government, global government, will take action about this when our India is just surviving with these whole things? You know that India is most polluted. Okay, mountain of
Okay,
garbage.
that's it.
Listen, mountain of garbage. In rivers you will find the garbage. There is not greenly place, and if there is, we have to pay for the tickets and all. Government earns from there. We don't see the trees around us. And brother, you know why will government focus on us? And if you think that it is fault of government and they will just arrange some dustbins for us so that we can throw, those can be recycled. So brother, it's not like that. Government is never going to do, especially Indian government, great India's government. What do they say? Our Prime Minister Modi, they say in interviews, we have used space technology in our roads. Means we have used space technology in our roads. What is the condition of road? Whenever it rains, water is there, ports are there. And even means India is most populated country. Bridges are collapsed. This is the government. This is the space technology which we are using. Same thing they will say for the garbage. So they will not take responsibility of anything. We have to be responsible. Plant the trees if we are getting. That's it.
Okay, whatever you're telling, it's not like this. As he was talking about that in place of trees, in place of plastic, we can plant trees. Okay, so here, by the only gestures, by some gestures, we cannot rub the reality. Okay, are you getting?
What's the reality?
Reality is like this, that as you're talking about that plastic cannot be reduced. Okay, but
Recycled, I said
yeah,
recycled.
okay, recycled, but we can plant trees. Do you really know that how many years does it take a plant grow completely? Don't you know? Even you're a science stream student, even he doesn't know. How can this possible? Please let me speak now. It's my turn to speak. Sir, please, it's my turn.
You are a science student. Why don't you try to understand that it will take 20 years, 30 years, 15 years to grow tree? Sister, at least we have an option that it will
We
grow
have an option.
in future. Okay, but about the plastic, what is the option? We have data of ODEC which says that we can only recycle 12% of plastic till 2060. After approximately 35 years, we will be recycling just 12% of plastic. So that is also taking the time, while we are
First
not
of all, I am not understanding.
trees are better than that. Okay.
Listen, everyone. One thing I'm not understanding. Someone was talking about that 11% plastic can be recycled.
Who said? Tell the name.
I
Tell the
forgot.
name, we will
I
check in
forgot.
the video.
Yeah, you should check.
You are just blaming, sister.
I'm not playing. I have seen